In today's session, we are going to see about what is a chatbot and the different ways in which chatbot can be built, along with how we build the conversational flows in our WACTO portal. So I would start off by saying what is a chatbot. So, a chatbot is a computer program which uses AI, artificial intelligence, to automate responses and have a human interaction with the particular person who's chatting with the bot. So, chatbots can be built using JavaScript, or they can also be built as no code chatbots. It's based on the client's requirement. So, now when let's see how we build the conversational flows in our portal. So, after we click on the builder option, this is what will appear to us in the portal. So on top, you can change the path's name. So a path is where you add additional information. So if you want to segregate between the content that you have, you can segregate it using the path. So you can add as many paths as you want. So you can change the name over here of the path, and over here you can copy the path. So this option is used to copy the path. And over here, you can mark the path as available for the agent. So you can assign the agent, saying the agent can work on this path. So we have certain assignments which will be given on another segment as a video. So this is different to this. So this option over here is the test path. After we create these chat flows, when we click on the test path, we can see how these chat flows run and how they can be shown to a client. So this is used for that. You can maximize and minimize and zoom in and zoom out using these two options. And this option over here is where we will be able to use these to build the chat flows. So today in this session, I will be explaining about the display info nodes. So there are 4 segments: display info, data input, process and flow, and integrations. So in this segment, I will be explaining about display info. So let's begin with send message node. So when you click on this node, you can just add a message saying hi. And when you save it, this is how it would appear on the back end. So this is a send message. Heading of your message saying, if you want to give a list of options like grocery. So these are the options, are the list of groceries. And over here, you can give the title of the option. So when you're having option 1, option 2, option 3, you can give as dairy, bakery products, or the next option you can add over here saying dairy. And then the next option, can you save the option over here? What will happen? This is how it will be shown to a client. So just a minute. So this is how it will be shown. So when you are giving the names over there in the backend, this is how it will be shown when it comes out. So I will show you later how it will be shown in the path when we test the path. So this is the send message with option nodes. The next one is send carousel. So carousel is like you shopping on a e-commerce website when you have to flip and see the different images in a particular product. So it's similar to that, but in WACTO it's a little different. So over here, what you need to do is you need to add the heading of your product. So let's just say clothes or shorts. Okay. And when I'm giving shorts and I'm giving the MRP of it over here, saying it is around 399. Then I will have to add the image of the short. So you have to browse this from what you have in your gallery. So I will be uploading an image just for now. So after I'm doing that, I have to just save the image and I have to save the carousel. So this is how it would look. So you will have your image over here, which with the description at the bottom. So this is how it will look. So you can add as 10 carousels as you want. So you can add 10 images like this with their description and the pricing. So this is used for that. So the next node is the send image node, which is very simple. You can upload a JPG PNG, GIF, which is 1 MB in size. So you can browse it from your gallery and upload it over here. So if it is more than 1 MB, it will show you that it's more than 1 MB and it will not support the file. So you have to check on that. The next node is send document. So you can upload any document over here. So it can be any document. For example, it can be a PDF document, it can be a PPT, or it can be an Excel file or a Google Sheet. So you can just upload it over here and click on save. So this is how it will present over here. Okay. So the next node is the send audio, which is very similar to how we send a video as well. So the size of the audio should be 10 MB in size and it only supports MP3. So you have to upload an audio from your PC. So if you have any audio, upload it over here and click on save. So the audio will also be present there. The next one is send video. Video, it will support about MP4, which is up to 25 MB in size. So you can upload any video. So browse it from your gallery and click on save. So it will get saved over here. So this is how these nodes work in display info. So if you want to check out the path, how these nodes are connected, what you need to do is, if you want to connect this message with this message, you have to click this and drag it over here. So send message was connected with send image. The next one, send image with send carousel, can be connected by dragging the cursor. So when you point it towards send carousel, it will be connected to send carousel. And if you want to connect send carousel with send message with options, you have to drag it again. And this is how it will be connected. And if you want to connect this with the documents, just a minute. So you have to drag this from here to the document node. And this is how it will be connected. So if you want to start the path, you have to start it with the send options. Just a minute. So our first message is send message _2. So you have to start with that. So now let's click on test path and view the path. So our send messages has been appeared here. Then our image has come out here, send image node. Then the carousel node has come here. And then we have our option.